Hello, Peter checking in again. We're on day 24 of our meditation series. Will meditation help me make decisions? Yes, it will. It really does help you to make decisions. So what happens with us, sometimes we get into positions where we really dread having to make a decision. And usually it's through fear, sometimes anxiety or stress, but we're just dreading that decision to be made. And meditation will help you to really come into yourself and see where the answers are inside of yourself. You have the answers inside of you, always. No matter how drastic it might feel, it's always inside of you. So you can make that decision through meditation, and it's usually the best place. Well, I feel it is the best place because you're not reacting, you're actually responding. We dealt with that in a previous video, with your ability to respond rather than to react. So meditation will help you with that. It will help you with those decisions that you dread making, and you can just make them and do it, which is what I do now. Okay, I'm going to do that, and I do it. Rather than think, oh goodness me, if I do that, you think about the 357 million problems that run behind that decision. Just do it and let it go. If you want to try the webinar I've created, it's on 5 meditation techniques. You just need to click the link, it's absolutely free. Also, we run Qigong classes twice a week on this channel, which you can try. If you hit the subscription button and the notification bell, you'll get regular updates of what I'm doing on this channel with the Qigong classes and the meditation videos and the talk videos that I do. So give it a go. Just hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.